Hello everyone, this is Mark for more reviews, and I wanted to show you something. I'm not sure how it goes, which is about using the ASIO driver for the Moore G300. I think there might be an issue because the latency is quite high. I'm not sure if this video is gonna capture it, but I have it plugged in here, and if you hear the sound of me touching the strings and going through the Moore G300, you'll notice a quite high latency. I'm not sure if this is usual in all in all ASIO drivers. I did have similar problems with other interfaces in the past, and basically it's not possible to play or record something in real time, I would say, because it gets really confusing, right? If there's a backing track or drums or drums and bass, it's really hard to follow through, and you would have to listen to yourself only, and then maybe later on after the recording adjust to match the rest of it. But that's basically terrible, and on their website they do say that it's very low, quite low, ultra low latency, which is not true. It's basically not true for a latency that makes it possible to play and record in real time. It would be less than 10 milliseconds or less than 5 milliseconds, 2 milliseconds ideal. So this is not acceptable, right? Let me switch to the other screen. Yeah, I can show you. I was using, in my last video, I downloaded the Moore USB audio control panel, which is basically mentioned as the Moore ASIO driver. However, one thing I noticed is that first, on the format you cannot use the 16 bits. It mutes. And under buffer settings, that was using only 8 samples. If I used 2048, which would be the cool one with high quality, it gets even worse. And one thing I notice is that it says ASIO is not active, which is weird, because if I downloaded an ASIO driver from the Moore website, I restarted many times, it should work. So basically what I'm gonna try to do is install the ASIO for All driver. I'm not sure if this will work, but let's try. So you just go to their website, asioforall.org, and then let's install, if I find it. Oh, it was removed. Okay, let's download again. ASIO for All. Close all applications. Let me close all applications, at least the ones that won't help. Accept the terms. Drive C. Finish. No need to restart. ASIO for All. So nothing different. No news. Let's open the Moore. ASIO not active. Interesting. see if there is any settings that could help. Nope. Device manager maybe could show something. Nope. So nothing. We can't play. Can't play like this. I'm gonna restart my computer and see what happens.